In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge PDF files in CutePDF. So there's actually two ways to do this. I'm going to show you both. The first one is you want to open up your first PDF you want to merge with a different one. Then you want to go to Tools up top and click on Merge PDF and Image Files. In here, you want to select all the PDFs you want to merge to the current one. So you can, of course, click on only one, or you could hold down your Control key on your keyboard and click on all the ones you want to merge. I'm going to select these four right now, and I'm going to click on open. Then the window is going to appear. You can go and of course kind of organize these, so you can click on any one of these and move them up or down to select your order. I'm going to go like this, and then you can select the location you can add to the end of your open PDF document, so this one in the back, or you could go and insert before a specific page. I'm just going to add to the back, and I'm going to click on OK, and there we go. It's going to open a separate document, which as you can see has been merged. So that's the first way you could do this. Then I'm going to just go to undo over here, and the second way is to go to organize pages. You can click anywhere over here on the plus button. You can select a PDF you want to insert or merge and click on open, and there we go. It's going to add those pages, and when you click on apply changes, the PDF has been merged. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.